All right. Hi, guys. Happy Wednesday. Top of the morning to you. I have my coffee. I have some science. So we're ready to go for the week. So this past week wrapped up Unit 1, and that was our unit on waves. And just as a friendly reminder, if you have any missing assignments for Unit 1, all of those assignments need to be submitted by this Friday, October 23rd by 11:59 p.m. After Friday, if you have any missing assignments for Unit 1, those will no longer be accepted after Friday. So one of the things that you should do as you're going through Schoology today, run through Infinite Campus, run the missing assignments report, and see what you've got going on. Another reason to work on getting caught up on your missing assignments as well is that in Life Ed on Thursday and Friday this week, depending on what day you join us here at Lakeview, we're going to be having an incentive week in Life Ed. So you'll have different places where you can choose to go and have some fun. So you have to have all of your assignments in, though, in order to participate in that. So definitely make sure today that you take some time to run through your missing assignments and get all of that stuff turned in. You did have in this past week 2 80% grades, which is pretty major for this class. You have your electromagnetic spectrum 1-pager and then the waves quiz 2. If you have not done those 2 items in Schoology yet, then please, please, please go and get that done today. Get that work turned in so that by Friday you're set for science. So anyway, that was kind of friendly little reminders there for you guys. However, coming up to what we have going on for the next week, we are starting our unit on space. Very excited about that. So this is going to cover Earth, solar system, outer space, lots of really fun stuff. And we've had some conversations in classes already about space with the electromagnetic spectrum and all that kind of stuff. So I know you guys really love space, and I'm excited to explore that with you guys starting this week. Now, because we are starting a new unit, most of your stuff before class, before you come to class this week, is just going to be preparatory or kind of getting you set up. So what I have, if you're here watching our 1021 weekly overview video, then you're already doing one of the things that you need to do before you come to class this week. So thank you so much for doing that. And then in Schoology, if we pop over to Schoology, there is a space pretest. This is 15 questions, true, false, multiple choice. Don't use any resources to help you on this. This is simply just a starting point like we did for our waves unit. I have set this up so that you will be able to see the score that you get on that, but whether you do well or whether you don't stress about it. This is just a pretest, and this is just to kind of give us a starting point of where we're at. So please do that before you come to class. If I see you on Thursday, then that would be something then that you'll need to do today on Wednesday. Okay, so back to our agenda slide here. So you've got those 2 things before you come to class. Most of the stuff that we're going to be doing this week is going to be done in class. So we will be setting up your digital science notebook for Unit 2 together in class. So you don't need to worry about that, and you don't need to worry about doing notes before you come to class this week either. Yay! So we will set up your notebook together in class. We will do science now together in class, and then we'll be doing some different activities together to explore gravity and orbits and get us started with our space unit. So hopefully that'll be really fun. I am planning for us to also do a simulation lab, and we'll see how much time we have. We'll see if we get to it in class. I may modify the deadline for that assignment based on the flow of how things are going in class. But when you are out of class this week, so you could do this before you come to class, or you could do this after you come to class. In Schoology, there is a discussion post that has an article. So when you go in here to this discussion post, there is an article called Life Without Gravity. And after you read this article, you are then going to be asked to list out 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages of being an astronaut and living without gravity. So hopefully you'll find that really interesting. And then we'll take that discussion and conversation and we'll use it in class, not this week, but the following week. Okie dokie. So let's see. That kind of runs over the agenda for the week. I think I've kind of covered my bases. As per usual, all of our assignments for the week are going to be due on Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. And if you need help with anything while you're working at home, I have office hours today, Wednesday, from 10 to 10:45 a.m. So I will post that Zoom link in our updates as per usual. So that kind of covers the agenda for the week. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm looking forward to seeing you in class.
If you drive a white Nissan, your dome light is on.
Alrighty. So, where was I? Oh yeah. So I hope you have a good week. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.
And you are parked in Coach Dean's spot.
And I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up before another announcement comes on and interrupts. But I'll see you soon and have a good one. Bye.